Alex from StickShiftStudios, and today I'm hooking you up with an exclusive 10% off your purchase at supernovaleds.com. These bright LED lights update your car with a modern, clean, bright white look, and they're extremely bright and they're easy to install. Use my exclusive code StickShift10 to receive 10% off your complete order at supernovaleds.com. The link to the website is in the description and it will be on screen here as well. Transform your vehicle with interior and exterior lights for your car, truck, or SUV. Applications from LED turn signals to LED reverse lights, LED tail lights, interior dome lights that also have the option to change colors. And now I will start the install of the LEDs on my Corvette Z06. So today I'll be installing the Supernova LEDs for my 2002 Corvette Z06. The tools that you need are a screwdriver with a Torx T15 bit. So just unscrew. Okay, both screws are out. And I'm sticking my finger in the screw hole to kind of wedge one side of the tail lamp out. So now that the tail lamp is out, you squeeze the tab on the bulb, the white tab, and turn it down to pull the bulb out, like so, and then set the tail lamp down. So I'm taking out the tail lamp bulb and just pull it straight out. Like so. And we'll put in the new LED tail light. It slots in.
Same.
Don't know. Okay, so now it's in. Corvette was having some issues with hyperflash when the turn signals were on with the new LEDs, so your car may need a resistor on each light. So if you have a Corvette, you definitely need a resistor, one for each tail lamp bulb, and this is what they look like. And you just splice them in to the tail lights. So this is daytime with the driver's side LEDs installed. This is using unlock from the key fob. Oh wow, that's quite the difference. Supernova LED on the left, stock on the right. It was incredibly hard to show how bright these LEDs actually are in my camera. Just know they are incredibly bright. The new LEDs are much brighter. This is just a quick walk around to show the difference between the LEDs and the stock tail lamps. Thank you for watching StickShiftStudios. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to watch my other Supernova LED installation videos. Have a great day.